Yes, sir. You already know this your boy B Hayes. We back with another one. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You know, won't like to waste nobody's time. Before we do that, let's give this video a thumbs up so it can reach more people. Today we're gonna be touching bases on SOS. That's SOS Limited, ticker symbol SOS. So we're gonna be briefly just doing a review over the stock, letting out, just talking about our expectations, what we expect on Monday at market open, talk about what it did Friday, and just a little summary because you all know we done touched bases on this stock multiple times on this channel. So it'll be a quick little video just to sum everything up. So on Friday, we closed at $6.50. We opened at 7. The high was 7.24. The low was 5.27. The 52-week high was 15.88. The 52-week low was 51 cents. Okay, y'all. So SOS, I told y'all from the jump, from the beginning, that SOS is a high risk, high reward type of play, and a very speculative stock. And it's a sympathy play off of Bitcoin, meaning whenever Bitcoin goes up in value, SOS goes up in value. If Bitcoin drop in value, SOS drop in value. And let's do a recap on what I told y'all on the last SOS video. I told y'all on Friday, SOS could have a nice panic because it want to scare everybody out because of big open on Monday. Because I told y'all this could be the case with the big open, which everything is falling in line right now as we speak. I told y'all through the week, Bitcoin is going to, eventually in the future, during the week, Bitcoin gonna be able to still rise during the week. But what I'm getting at is all the money is kind of the same money. Everybody just take their money from one asset and move it to another. Whenever tickers and symbols just be going crazy, like people move their wealth from one sector to another. So say if like during the week, the stock market is going to be heavily invested into, like that's where everybody at, the stock market, no questions asked, Monday through Friday. But check this out. On the weekend, the stock market traders and investors, we bored. We ready for the weekend, for the weekday to start, for Monday to start. So during the weekend, while we bored, people transfer their wealth from the stock market. They might close out some positions that have extra cash to put it into Bitcoin over the weekend because they know that's where everybody's attention will be at, because the stock market closed, Forex 24 hours, 24/7, but the stock market is one of the biggest wealth transfers there is. So it's a whole lot of money in the stock market. So all that money go to Bitcoin on the weekend. And I told y'all the stock market money will go to Bitcoin and it will cause it to rise over the weekend. So we seen Friday we hit $47,000 per Bitcoin, and it looked like it was finna to drop down to 45 to the 40. Looked like it was when we hit 47K. I know a lot of people probably was scared and nervous, like, oh, we about to have a massive drop. We hit 47K, and today we went up $4,000 on the Bitcoin. We at 51K, probably like 50,000 now at the time of this recording. But earlier today we was at $51,000, up $4,000 in one day. So I told y'all and then later on at night, Bitcoin like to move around midnight when people sleep, I guess. So around midnight, around 1, I can see Bitcoin probably reaching 52, 53,000, maybe 54. So if Bitcoin basically, it's already up enough for SOS to open up on Monday more than what it closed at. SOS right now, the price of Bitcoin, SOS can potentially open up at $8 plus. If Bitcoin trade higher tonight around midnight and we can get Bitcoin up to like $55,000, then SOS will guarantee you open up at $10 plus. So I mean, like I done told y'all, don't put in no more than you ain't willing to lose. Treat this as a quick get money play, like easy money play, but you know, watch your risk, and you know you'll be straight in this play. This is a good play, far as like off the sympathy of Bitcoin, the hype of Bitcoin, yes. But far as like a good play, as in where I would put a lot of money into it, or you know, break any of my rules and this, that, and third, no, it's not a good play like that. This is a high risk, high reward play. It's not something that I would advise anyone to invest in if you're a new investor, if that makes sense. You feel me? New investors, I would really stay away from it because it's so volatile. Just as Bitcoin is volatile, SOS could do the same thing. It done went from $4 to $12 and back to $4, and now trading at $6.50. And come Monday, it could be back up to around $12 and then possibly fall again to $5. So that's what I mean by new investors being safe and stuff. You want to be safe and know what you're trading and understand what you're in. at all times. So this video was just a little summary, y'all. Like I said, just to let y'all know what the expectations on SOS will be on Monday. And we expect SOS to go through the moon on Monday, especially if Bitcoin continue to rise. But if Bitcoin crashes, SOS will crash right behind. So that's all I got for y'all. If y'all like these type of updates, these type of predictions, all this good stuff, you already know. Consider joining the family. This your boy B Hayes, y'all. We out.